Good Monday morning. Going to be a humid day with highs up near 90. The remnants of Chantal, after dumping over a foot of rain in parts of North Carolina, will skirt just to our east, but it will bring in enough moisture that we could see a shower or storm, maybe some localized heavier downpours in that. Then we stay pretty much unsettled, especially during the afternoon, all week with humid conditions and kind of unsettled weather. Humidity will be high. It's just going to be kind of a repeating pattern of highs starting off the week in the upper 80s, low 90s, but by the weekend into the mid and upper 80s with more cloudiness. But daily chances of rain are going to bring a good amount of precipitation, anywhere from 2 to 3 inches or more if we get some localized heavy thunderstorms, especially later this week. So here we go. Here's the remnants of Chantal. Like I said, it's going to be almost to our east, although it could bring some showers in later today. Pretty much this pattern is going to repeat every single day. You're going to see it kind of clear up overnight, and then boom, showers and storms by afternoon, moving through. And then on the next day, maybe a little more numerous on Thursday. So it's just daily. I'm quickly going through this because every day is pretty much the same. Warm, hot, and humid with showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon and evening, maybe enhanced a little bit by a few pieces of impulsive energy. And so that does bring a better chance of maybe some stronger severe storms on Wednesday, Thursday, possibly into Friday. We'll have to see. The weekend is looking really cloudy and more unsettled with chances of rain on Saturday here you see, and Sunday more chances. Really nothing easing here in the long range. This is just a trough here in the east, and it's just bringing unsettled weather, a lot of moisture in, and causing us all our precipitation. Could keep it a little cooler than it would be, but at nighttime, with the clouds around during the day, it's going to be cooler. At nighttime, it'll be warmer, so the trends will be warmer. This, again, is that high in the long range that could bring us a shot at some cooler weather about mid to late July. We'll have to see. Doesn't mean it's not going to then turn right around into the same type of forecast if this turns into easterly winds and more moisture off the ocean, just wet. So no drought for us. But you can see even up here in Canada, you can see the cooler air trying to keep close by. I mean, it can be tapped by these storms as they move through and bring us a few days of cooler weather. So we'll have to see. So when looking at the anomalies, what you're going to see is you're going to see it swing back and forth between day and night. And in general, during the night, we're going to be above normal. During the day, we're going to be below normal. It's because of the cloudiness. That doesn't mean here. I mean, here's Tuesday. It looks pretty hot tomorrow. And then showers and storms will bring us cooler air. And then warmer at night, cooler during the day. Warmer at night, cooler during the day. This is pretty cool, actually, showing up here. But the overall trend is going to still be slightly above normal. A lot of moisture around, so a lot of rain. And here's that late period cool down that could happen. Doesn't look that too much different than what we had, but trust me, it's a little more of a cool push than what we're going to see. And then here's loading up another one, so we'll have to see. In general, though, how much rain could be expected over the next week? Quite a bit. If we look at the models, it is showing as much as 2 to 3 inches of rain. If we do get those showers and storms over us, it could be more. So some of these to our east are also the remnants of Chantal that are going to come through today, and that's why they're upping the amount of rain here, because the disturbances move just to our southeast, and we're going to get a little bit of rain. But every day with chances of showers and storms, 2 to 3, maybe 4 inches of rain this week is not out of the question. So it's just going to be kind of an unsettled time. And then if we look at the long range, just looking at what's showing up, the two things we want to look at, first of all, just look at the forecast for the severe weather potential. And if we look over here, you can see here's tomorrow and Wednesday, looking for chances of potentially stronger storms. Not sure if beyond that, but I mean, with so much humidity around, we could get some localized downbursts from the rainfall, causing increased wind chances. And then if we look at the temperature forecast, above normal is kind of locking in here in the next 6 to 10 days, and even the 8 to 14 days. So we're staying above normal. And of course, precip, no doubt, above normal. Maybe heading towards near normal in the long range. We'll have to see. It looks just like a very wet pattern. Eventually, though, we could see cool down, probably right after this time period, showing that there could be some type of a cool down in the temperature. We'll have to see. Anyway, that is your outlook. Hope you have a good Monday and a great week.